Friction problem. One block resting on another block. Consider problem given below. Here in this problem, it is given that block A is having a weight of 1000 Newton and block B is having a weight of 2000 Newton. Block A is tied to the wall with the string and it will be developing tension in the string because of the application of the force P. It is asked that in first case, what will be minimum force P applied required when force P is applied horizontally to move the block B. And in second case, force P is inclined at 30 degrees and it is asked to find force P, minimum force P required to move block B. Now consider movement of block A. Block A will be moving like this when force P is applied to block B, but block A will be and stationary and it's because it is tied to the wall and there is contact surface between block A and block B and friction force will be developed between these two contact surfaces and it is given that mu, that is coefficient of friction, mu equal to 0.25 between block A and block B. Now consider reaction, vertical reaction from the ground contact surface as N1 and frictional force component will be equal to 0.25 N1. Now consider free body diagram. It will be 1000 Newton acting at center and tension in the string T. Consider resolution of forces vertically. Summation Fy equal to 0. Upward forces equal to downward forces, that is N1 equal to 1000 newtons and result forces horizontally Fx equal to 0. Right side forces equal to left side forces or left side forces equal to right side forces. Here T equal to 0.25 N1 equal to 0.25 into 1000 equal to 250 newtons. T we got as 250 newtons and N1 we got as 1000 newtons. Now consider movement of block B and stationary block as A. Block B will move like this to the right and block A will be stationary. For block B and block A, there will be friction developed between this surface, these two contact surfaces and these two contact surfaces. For block A and block B, coefficient of friction between block A and block B is given as mu equal to 0.25 and coefficient of friction between block B and ground surface is given as 1 by 3 mu, that is mu. Consider vertical reaction forces N1 from block A and N2 from block contact surface at ground, and this will be 2000 Newton will be acting at center. This will be forming free body diagram for the force system. Now resolving forces vertically, summation Fy equal to 0. Upward forces equal to downward forces. Upward forces are N2 and downward forces are 2000 newtons and N1. Therefore, N2 equal to 2000 plus N1. N1 we know 1000 Newton equal to 3000 Newton into we got N2. Resolving forces horizontally summation Fx equal to 0. Right side forces equal to left side forces. Right side forces are P S, that's it. And left side forces are 0.25 N1 and 1/3 of N2. Therefore, P equal to 0.25 N1 plus 1/3 of N2. Therefore, 0.25 into 1000 plus 1/3 of N2, that is 3000 equal to 250 plus 1000. Therefore, this force, horizontal force required to move the block B when applied force P is horizontal, it is equal to 1250 newtons. P equal to 1250 newtons.